Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to talk about Svelte stores. In the last video, we saw that you can manage state by staying close to your component and using reactive variables. But this time, we'll cover more centralized states, when you want to share it across different components. Let's get started, but first, let's review a little bit to make sure we have the right Svelte mentality. You do not need an external library to manage state in Svelte. The framework comes with awesome state primitives, and if you can, why not save up on your bundle size and skip the libraries? Your SEO score will thank you. Secondly, small, composable state slices are more useful than one big state. With this in mind, the way you can easily share reactive state across many components is by using a Svelte store. When building a store, you will have the option of creating either a readable store, allowing the value to only be read in other components, a writable store, which allows read-write permissions on components, and my favorite ones, custom stores, which have all the bells and whistles. The best one to get started with is the readable store. To properly understand them, we will be building a social media feed. Let's explore a bit. The general idea is that when we reach our page, we will be greeted with a feed of posts, and each 2 seconds, we will be fetching new posts and displaying them to the user. We are simply mocking our posts here, but the idea would be the same if we were fetching from a real API. Let's open up the code. Creating a store is easy. You can simply import the readable function from Svelte. It accepts 2 arguments. The first argument is the initial value of your store. The second value is a function where you will be able to set data in the store. The function receives as an argument a set function. You can call the set function anytime to update the value of the readable store. In this example, we are adding a new post to the feed every 2 seconds, calling the set function and passing it the argument, which is the new post. And lastly, we're simply returning a cleanup function that cancels the set interval. Now comes the easy part. To read this data, we simply have to import the store in any component. We can then use the data inside our rendering by adding a $sign in front of the store variable. This will tell Svelte to track the value reactively of this store and update the UI when the store is updated. We could also subscribe to the store in the script tag, but this is the easiest and simplest way of consuming a readable store. To it in action, we have a simple feed page that updates every 2 seconds with a new post. So here, to recap what we know so far, readable stores are meant to be read-only in components. Updating the value only happens inside the setter function. You can read the value of the store in your component by prefixing it with a $sign. And lastly, there are other types of stores for other types of situations. We will cover them in follow-up videos. This was a quick introduction to Svelte readable stores. Please subscribe, as the next videos we will be diving into writable and custom stores.